First, the cane field is set on fire to remove dead leaves. Then the stalks are harvested from the field. After being transported to the refinery, the cane is chopped or shredded before it is crushed in large roller mills, which releases raw sugarcane juice. The sugarcane juice contains dirt, sugar, and pieces of cane pulp. From there, calcium hydroxide is added to the juice, and carbon dioxide is bubbled through the mixture, which helps to clarify the juice by creating insoluble calcium compounds. The calcium hydroxide also raises the juice's pH level. With the help of polyacrylamide, calcium compounds, muds, and other impurities are also filtered out of the juice. Next, the juice travels to a filter where it is treated with activated carbon. After being filtered, the juice is sent through an evaporator to remove water, causing the juice to thicken. The juice is then sent to a boiler where it is heated in a vacuum, and fine seed crystals are added to aid in the formation of sugar crystals. Crystallization leaves behind a substance called mother liquor that will ultimately be made into molasses. To separate the sugar crystals from the mother liquor, they are put into a centrifuge. The final product is raw sugar, which is ready to be refined into white sugar. Chemistry project, the group consisting of Shavin, Aditya, Dominc, and me, Aram. We're going to be showing you how to extract sucrose from sugarcane. Tell me when.
No. Clap, don't forget clap.
Hey guys, this is the chemistry project consisting of Angel, Aditya, Shavin, and Dominc.
We can no longer see you, you're off camera. Stay still. Let's do that again.
Hey guys, this is the chemistry project consisting of Shavin, Dominc, Aditya, Angel, Aram, and Aditya.